Welcome back. Today we'll build an entire AI marketing campaign for free. Imagine creating ads, graphics, and emails in minutes. Today, AI becomes your marketing strategist and creative team. Let's build a real campaign from strategy to launch.
Hey there, welcome. If you've ever sat staring at a blinking cursor, completely frozen, trying to write an ad, or maybe you've actually watched your hard-earned ad spend just vanish into the digital void with absolutely zero to show for it, well, take a deep breath because you are in exactly the right place. Today, I'm going to step in as your mentor. We are going to walk through a complete, zero-cost AI marketing explainer. And by the end of our time together, you're going to know exactly how to build a real, functioning marketing campaign from scratch, even if you have never run a single ad in your life. Okay, let's jump right into the game plan for today. We're going to cover first, define your ideal customer, second, add copy and creative, third, market gaps in video, fourth, the free AI tool stock, fifth, marketing mistakes to avoid, and wrapping up with your first campaign assignment. Section 1, define your ideal customer. Get clear before you write a single ad. Look, the absolute most common rookie mistake is jumping straight into writing ad copy. We actually need to flip the script entirely. You need to start with this exact prompt structure in a tool like Claude or ChatGPT. It's like a fill-in-the-blank game for your business. You literally just type, I run a insert your business type, serving your target customer in your location. Then you ask the AI to give you your ideal customer in one single sentence, along with the one message that will make them stop scrolling. Boom, no more guessing. The AI just sharpens your focus instantly. The difference this makes is, honestly, night and day. If you're vague with your prompting, you'll get a super generic output, something like, anyone who needs accounting. Nobody engages with that. But let's look at Kemi, a real freelance accountant. She used our specific prompt and got this. Busy SME owners in Lagos who dread doing their own books. Now that is an audience you can actually visualize, target, and speak to directly, right? Moving to section 2, add copy and creative. Turn your message into scroll-stopping assets. So here is where we take that hyper-specific profile we just built and turn it into real-world assets. It's a super simple 3-step workflow. First, stay right there in your AI chat and ask it to write out 3 short ad variations. Second, make sure you're testing different angles, so ask the AI to use a different hook for each. Make one driven by curiosity, one focused on a problem, and one highlighting results. Finally, step 3, just take your favorite text and paste it right into Canva's AI magic design feature. Listen, you absolutely do not need a design degree for this. The AI is literally going to generate professional, ready-to-go layout options matched perfectly to your text. Now, while you're in Canva adjusting those beautiful layouts, keep this absolutely crucial beginner tip in mind. Keep your text under 20% of the total image area. Why does this matter? Because ad platforms heavily favor image-led creatives. If your graphic is packed with text, the algorithm will literally penalize you. It's going to cost you way more money for way fewer views. Always keep the focus visual. All right, section 3, market gaps in video. Find your edge and automate the follow-up. Okay, we have great ads ready to go. But before we spend a dime running them, we need to know what your competition is up to. Which brings us to the million-dollar question. What is your competition missing? I want you to go into Google Gemini, which, by the way, is fantastic for real-time web research. Paste in your industry and your location, and just ask it to summarize what your competitors are saying. But here's the secret sauce. Explicitly ask Gemini to identify one gap in their approach that you can exploit. Let's bring our accountant, Kemi, back into the picture to see how this works. Gemini showed her that every single local competitor was just lazily relying on generic tax season ads. They were totally missing the actual everyday struggles of business owners. So Kemi positioned her messaging right in that gap. She wrote an ad talking directly to the business owner sitting at their kitchen table at midnight, totally stressing out over messy spreadsheets. By speaking to that specific, completely ignored pain point, she instantly gained a huge competitive edge. Once you've carved out your unique gap, you need a net to actually catch all those new leads. Take James, for example. He's a virtual assistant. Instead of sending out cold pitches, which we all know is awful, he built an automated distribution flow. He used a free tool to turn his ad copy into a quick, punchy 15-second video reel. That video acts like a magnet. Then, when a prospect clicked, they automatically entered a 3-part email sequence that he wrote, you guessed it, entirely with AI. Email 1 introduced his story to build trust. Email 2 showed off a quick client win to prove he knew his stuff. And email 3, a super clear offer with a strict deadline to book a discovery call. He basically filled his calendar with warm leads while he slept. Which brings us to section 4, the free AI tool stack. Everything you need, 0 budget required. Now, I know what some of you are probably thinking right now. This sounds awesome, but it also sounds insanely expensive. Well, let me stop you right there. 0. That is exactly how many dollars you actually need to build and test this entire campaign setup. Let's lay out your entire toolkit so you can see for yourself. You're going to use Claude or ChatGPT for the heavy lifting. Your strategy, ad copy, and email sequences, that's on the free tier. You use Canva AI for designing all those visual assets, also free. Google Gemini is going to handle your real-time competitor research to find those market gaps, totally free. When you're ready to automate, HubSpot AI handles your email campaign smoothly on their free tier. And Google Flow pumps out those quick video ads for free. The absolute only paid tool even mentioned in our sources is VideoExpress. And honestly, that's completely optional. You'd only grab that one time if you eventually want highly polished presenter-led videos later down the line. The whole foundational stack costs you absolutely nothing. Section 5, marketing mistakes to avoid. Guardrails for your first launch. Look, as your mentor, I'd be doing you a huge disservice if I didn't point out the potholes before you start driving, so let's put up some guardrails. First up, avoid targeting everyone. We talked about this. A message meant for anyone lands with absolutely no one. Be ruthlessly specific. Second, never, ever skip the test phase. You have to run more than one ad variation to actually see what clicks with your audience. Third, do not ignore the real click data. Honestly, it doesn't matter if you personally think an ad looks pretty. Let the actual audience data tell you which message wins. And lastly, never just copy your competitors exactly. Use your research to find the gaps they're blind to. Don't just blend into their background noise. And finally, section 6, your first campaign assignment, from theory to action. All right, it is time to roll up your sleeves. We are moving from theory straight into action, and I'm giving you some homework. Before you do anything else after this explainer, I want you to complete this checklist. First, run that initial strategy prompt we talked about for your specific business. Second, get the AI to generate 3 different ad copy variations. Third, take your favorite line out of those 3 and spin it up into one killer graphic using Canva AI. And finally, go share your strategy in that creative with a trusted colleague or your community to get some real feedback before you spend a single penny on ads. You guys have done incredible work today. Seriously. You now have the whole shebang, a complete functional AI marketing stack. You've got the strategy, the copy, the creative, the research, and the distribution flow. But I want to leave you with one final, very important thought. Once you launch this and those ads actually start working and the clicks start rolling in, how are you going to track the analytics to figure out exactly what's winning so you can double down on it? Think about that, because mastering those numbers is what truly separates the beginners from the pros. Keep learning, keep testing, and I will see you in the next explainer.
Today you learned how AI builds complete marketing campaigns. Create one campaign for your business using today's workflow. Tomorrow we'll learn how AI tracks results and analytics. Subscribe and join us for day 20 of the AI Masterclass.